How do I turn off Facebook Messenger notifications for deleted conversations?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to be discussing a particular feature of Facebook Messenger: how to disable notifications for deleted conversations. It's a bit tricky, as Messenger doesn't have a specific setting for this, but we've found a way around it. Let's get started.
Why am I still getting notifications?
First, let's tackle the issue. Why am I still getting notifications for deleted conversations? This usually happens when a new message is sent in the deleted conversation. Messenger doesn't recognize that you've deleted the chat on your end, and hence continues to notify you about the new messages.
How to stop these notifications?
Now that we know why it happens, let's move on to how we can stop these notifications. Here's how. Step 1. Open your Facebook Messenger application. Step 2. Navigate to the chat in question. If you've deleted the conversation, it might reappear when a new message is sent. Step 3. Tap on the chat to open the conversation. Step 4. Tap on the user's name at the top to open the chat settings. Step 5. Here, you'll find the Mute option. Tap on it. Step 6. You'll see options for the mute duration, such as 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until I turn it back on. Choose the last option to permanently mute the conversation.
Any other way to stop notifications?
Yes, indeed. Another way to stop notifications, specifically if you don't want to hear from a particular person, is to block them. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Open the Messenger app. Step 2. Tap on the chat of the person you wish to block. Step 3. Tap on their name at the top to open the chat settings. Step 4. Scroll down until you see the Block option. Tap on it. Step 5. You'll see two options: Block on Messenger and Block on Facebook. Choose the option that suits you best. Remember, blocking someone will prevent them from contacting you altogether. Use this option carefully. That's all for today's video. We hope this guide on how to disable notifications for deleted conversations on Facebook Messenger has been helpful. Remember, sometimes, managing your digital space requires taking steps like muting conversations or blocking contacts to ensure a more peaceful online experience. Keep exploring our channel for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.